Okay, we're going to try to slice the word chocolate out of the Hershey's Kiss. If I click on the Hershey's Kiss, it's all grouped together. And with slice, you can only select 2 layers at a time. So let's ungroup. First, let's get this the size we want it to be. And we're going to go 5 inches wide. And then the word chocolate is going to go right in here. I actually like that. I think I'm good with that. Okay, so now we're going to ungroup this and just move this top layer over because that's all I want to work with. Now take the chocolate and see it's kind of hidden behind there. Let's go arrange and send it to the front. Perfect. So now I can space it out and place it where I want it. Okay. So if we look at the right side panel, we can see how the background of the word chocolate, that layer, is darker than these layers. That means that's the only layer I have selected. If I hold the shift key down on my keypad and then click on this, both of those darkened, and you can see the selection box is now all the way around the kiss and the word chocolate. So we have 2 layers selected. Once you have 2 layers selected, you can hit slice. And then when you move this chocolate back over here and place it back on top, the word chocolate was sliced right out of that kiss.